Hey, let me see your hands. Put your hands up.
On Thursday, October 9th, 2025, at around 6 p.m., Las Cruces police were dispatched to the reports of an aggressive man threatening patrons and employees with a knife and a hammer at Chili's Grill and Bar on Telshor. When the first officer arrived, 50-year-old Philip Adrian Mullin was sitting in his silver Honda sedan.
Step out of the car. Do me a favor, step out of the car.
What's up?
Step out of the car. Hey, let me see your hands. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. I'm gonna tell you right now. 962 Central 10-3. He has a hammer in his hand coming towards me. Put your hands up right now. Put your hands up. I'm not gonna tell you again. Don't come any closer. Don't come any closer. Don't come any closer. I'm gonna tell you right now. Get down! Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground now! 962 Central. Shots fired. Shots fired. You got gloves?
Yeah.
962 Central. Start me fire 55. Middle shot. You're good. You're good.
Are you sure you're good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm good.
Here, get my shit out.
Here. What's that?
Next thing you need to get
Everybody in here, man. Just for any utilities.
It's okay, just give me a second. No, stay over there, please. If you guys have cameras, can you start getting that, please? Here.
960 Central. Chest seal apply.
He just needs one?
Yeah, it's 3.
Here, I got it, I got it.
Hey, go start talking to them. See if you can get video footage. Hey, start doing CPR. I got this.
Can you tell fire 55 for 33, please? And let's CPR 1070.
You know when you switch.
Is this a bullet wound right here? Yeah. Pick up your hand real quick.
All right, ready?
Pick up your hand.
Go, go.
Go. 962 Central. We log down. Male has 3 gunshot wounds to the chest. Chest seals apply. Just need fire 55.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Are you guys good here?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'll come over here.